Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing.
Yeah, hello and welcome back to another Bitcoin update. So we are now in the weekend, like we said yesterday, bit of a sideways action. Shouldn't see anything too crazy, just with lower volume, but we have seen a bit of a reaction to this micro support zone that we were talking about in the last video. Basically, we are speculating of a possible third wave top here, fourth wave correction before we get a fifth wave up to 98,000 or higher, before we get rejected from our larger degree of resistance zone and we begin that fifth wave to the downside. Since the low of November 21st, we have been tracking a fourth wave corrective bounce up, where this should be taking place in either a more complex WXY or a ABC to the upside, where this Y or C wave would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move up. And that is exactly what we have been seeing playing out since these last couple of months. So nothing too surprising there. This is the micro support zone that I added for this fourth wave. If we break below it, it's possible that we head towards a larger degree, or we reset this fourth wave. Maybe we go a little bit lower. But if we do get rejected from here, then more likely the probability that this fourth wave did indeed top over here instead of having a extended 4-5 pattern to the upside. But if we do get rejected from here, still possibly find a lower low for this fourth wave before we can head higher. But if that is the case, then it would lean a little bit more towards this fourth wave already possibly topping, and instead of it being a third or fifth wave up to the upside, then it's possible that this fifth wave could have also already topped here as well. But as long as we are holding support and we have already seen a reaction to the support zone, well, then it's likely that this could just be a fourth wave correction and we're heading higher for that fifth wave to the upside. So if we zoom in on the 4-hour, so yeah, right now we are tracking the support zone. Here is our reaction right here that we've been having. So between 94,236 to 95,093. What we need to see from here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move up. And right now we have only had a 1-2 setup so far. So it's possible that we go lower in this second wave before we start that third wave, but as soon as we do break below this trend line from the low of January 16th, around 94,300 more or less, once we do break that swing low, well, then it is very likely that this fourth wave could have indeed already have topped over here. But it's not the case that we're seeing. For a more bullish outlook, then we need to break these swing highs over here, which are right now around 95,800 more or less. We just need to break above these swing highs to indicate something more bullish is going on as well. And if we zoom in a little bit more, right now we have had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move up. Otherwise, this could also be interpreted as a 5 wave move up right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we've had a 3 wave move down. So this could be considered an A, B, C wave to the downside, which would make more sense where the 5 wave was indeed this right here instead of it being a more extended 5-wave move up from there. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much everything for this video. These are supports. If we bounce off of support, well, then we could be entering the start of this 5th wave to the upside. If we get rejected and break below the swing low, well, then it's likely that this 4th wave could have already topped. But we're seeing a reaction to the support zone, so it is speculating that we can have one more high to 98,000 or higher in this 5th wave to the upside. So yeah, we'll keep track of it. So weekend, maybe towards the end of today when we get that weekly close, maybe we can get a bit of a volatility. But yeah, we just kind of have to let time do its thing. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.